introduction.
Hello, I'm Agatha and I'm Mary Chuku. And we're going to be unboxing the bag of gift that our mom bought us for Christmas.
Yay!
Okay. Just get scissors, then unbox and just unbox. Stretch it. Wow, what's this? Car Early Education. The Voice. Wow. And we have more. I can't believe this. Okay, I can too if you're telling me to believe. What's that? Let's see.
Better be something amazing.
Imagination puzzle.
And
Wow.
this, of course, the balls.
Listen.
Mommy, change stuff.
Whoa. Wait,
My mommy goes for jam.
Wow.
What does this do?
I don't know. Looks like it's makes. Look at it shines a light. If you saw it.
Put it on the ground and you see.
Okay. Wow! This is amazing.
Yes!
Whoa. Let's see bouncing. Whoa.
Books!
Wow.
Jesus books! Wow! This ring talks.
Ring talk. This is so
Number blocks.
No, wait, did they say number blocks? A tic-tac-toe!
Tic-tac-toe! Tic-tac-toe!
And we have, flying. This is amazing.
That means this is the controller.
Let's see. I don't see any controller, but we're gonna figure out that later. Whoa, the Smurfs too. I've always wanted this book.
And this one is my favorite character.
Paddington too.
Nemo.
Paddington too.
Paddington 2, the story of the movie.
I love. And let's get to see our small ball. Man.
You can open from there. Don't share it. Never mind.
Okay, our small balls.
Yay!
Our small balls.
Yeah.
Okay, this is amazing. Thank you, Mommy.
Say thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mommy.
Say thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mommy.
We love you, Mama.
Love you, Mama.
Okay, and we're done.
Okay.
Please insert the card again. 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 Please insert the card again.
Okay.